The first test of the Border Gavaskar Trophy got off to a sensational start as Australia and India battled it out in Perth under overcast skies and a lively pitch at Optus Stadium. What a day it was, full of drama, pace and wickets galore. India opting to bat first after winning the toss were quickly undone by the Australian pace attack. Mitchell Starc and Josh Hazlewood set a fiery tone, with Starc claiming the early wicket of Yashasvi Jaiswal. Padikkal, filling in at number 3, couldn't handle the pressure either. He fell cheaply to Hazlewood for a duck edging behind. And then it was the big one. Kohli, a man always under the microscope in Australia. But he was dismissed cheaply for just 5, caught behind of Hazlewood. KL Rahul was on 26 when he was given not out by on-field umpire Richard Illingworth. But the third umpire didn't like that. Mitchell Starc appealed for caught behind and after the on-field call, opted for DRS. The Sneako showed a spike as the ball passed the bat. And the decision was overturned, but the visuals were not clear. Rahul slogged off the ground shaking his head, indicating that the bat had hit his pad and India slumped to 47 for 4. After lunch, all-rounder Marsh made a successful return to bowling with wicket of Dhruv Jurel and Washington Sundar. But India's collapse continued. They were bowled out for just 150. Hazlewood finished with 4 for 29, while Starc, Marsh and others shared the spoils. But what a fight back from India. Jasprit Bumrah, leading in the absence of Rohit Sharma, tore through Australia's top order with a brilliant spell of seam bowling. He claimed the first wicket of debutant Nathan McSweeney and then rocked the Australians with 3 quick wickets, including that of Steve Smith. Australia's batting collapse continued. Travis Head was sent packing by debutant Harshit Rana, while Labuschagne struggled for 52 balls before falling to Siraj for just 2 runs. The pressure was mounting and Bumrah wasn't done yet. Cummins also fell to Bumrah towards the end of the day's play. Australia were left reeling at 67 for 7. What a turnaround it was for Team India despite being bundled out for 150 at the close of play. It was India who held the upper hand. Bumrah had taken 4 of 17 and Australia were left for 3 wickets in hand, still trailing India by 83 runs. Earlier, India's top order had crumbled, but there was some fight from Pant and debutant Nitish Kumar Reddy, who put on 48 runs for the 7th wicket. Pant was typically aggressive, playing a daring scoop for 6, but both he and Reddy fell before tea. Australia's bowlers, including Marsh, who made a successful return, and Cummins toiled hard but couldn't finish the job. Australia will need a miracle to come back from here. Bumrah's spell has been nothing short of magnificent. A leader in every sense of the word, he's given India slender but significant advantage. With Australia on the ropes of 67 for 7, India will be hoping for more of the same tomorrow. As we look ahead to day 2, it's all set for another thrilling chapter in this fierce rivalry. Stay tuned to Cricket Next and join us tomorrow as the action continues in Perth for the Border Gavaskar Trophy.